there are many products made of wood. To aim at protecting the living environment of human beings, plastic products are gradually being replaced. If in the past, using nylon bags to contain daily necessities was extremely popular, nowadays, many countries in the world have replaced them with paper bags made from wood or any household item. They have gradually shifted to wood products. So, have you ever seen a production and processing process of wood products? Watch our video to have a fresher look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. The use of saws for tree felling is widespread. However, this task requires skilled and highly trained workers. Their job includes identifying trees that need to be cut, preparing and using the saw to safely and accurately fell trees. While sawing, they must ensure that the tree will not pose a danger to anyone or anything around it. In addition, this job requires specialized tools such as saws, protective gear, or support tools to help the tree fall. For saws, workers need to choose the right size and power that are suitable for each tree trunk size. Choosing a saw that is too small for a large tree will prolong the tree cutting process and may endanger the worker. In this video, the worker clearly made thorough preparations to make the tree cutting process simple and smooth. The wood pieces were also cut into smaller sections to meet the demand for further production. We can see that after the wood is cut down, it is brought to a collection yard in the forest to be processed into wood blocks according to the size required by the carpenter. The wood blocks are carefully selected, evaluated for the age and health of the tree before cutting, creating high-quality finished products. It is crucial to cut them into even and uniform blocks by cutting the parts that are too large or too small. With the technique and skills of the carpenter, they saw the wood blocks along the tree trunk, creating two equally long and smooth wood pieces. The sound of the saw hitting the wood trunk shows the human labor power. Each square wood block reflects the exquisite craftsmanship of the carpenter. The long wood blocks are then placed on a cutting system with sharp blades and a powerful rotating speed. The rough wood blocks are transformed into smooth, square, ready-to-produce small wood pieces for the furniture industry. From there, excellent wood products are created, providing high economic value while meeting the increasing demand for beauty from people. When cutting a large piece of wood into thin and even planks, first prepare the necessary tools such as a round saw, measuring tape, hammer, and a clean piece of wood to use as a cutting surface. After marking the cutting positions on the piece of wood, carefully place it on the clean surface, avoid damaging the saw blade or the work surface. Next, use the measuring tape to measure the thickness of each thin plank to be cut. Then use the hammer to mark the cutting points on the piece of wood. Start cutting with the round saw, directing the saw blade perpendicular to the surface of the piece of wood. Remember to keep the saw blade even and push slowly, gradually cutting along the marked lines until the piece of wood is completely cut through. After completion, check the results to ensure that the cut planks have even thickness and length and use a cutting adjustment set if necessary to fix any imperfections. Finally, high quality and even planks are ready to use in woodworking or construction projects. cutting the logs into smaller pieces, they will be transported to the construction site to be assembled into a complete wooden house. The pieces of wood are sorted and classified according to size and type of wood, and then arranged on the construction site to begin the house building process. Carpenters will then proceed to join each piece of the wood together using joint techniques such as the L or T-shaped joint. The house building process will take a long time depending on the size of the house and the ability of the carpentry team. When the pieces of wood are joined together to form a complete wooden frame, the logs will be attached to each other using nails or screws to create a strong structure. Finally, the rough cuts on the logs will be smoothed and polished to create a smooth and shiny surface, creating a beautiful and sustainable wooden house. In addition, wood is also used to produce beautiful flooring or household products, replacing plastic products to protect the living environment of humans. These are truly amazing products, aren't they? The production of essential goods and supplies for daily life is increasingly becoming popular, so wood processing companies must always have solutions to balance between exploiting and protecting forest resources. This is extremely important in reserving resources for future exploitation. The wood processing and production industry is developing strongly in all countries around the world. This also requires each country to have an efficient exploitation strategy that ensures the ecology of the forest. If not balanced, indiscriminate exploitation will be one of the strong factors affecting the living environment of humans. Wood products bring high economic value, and their durability makes them widely used and environmentally friendly. To have more interesting videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you again.